world, we do not wake up to sunlight anymore. We wake up to notification, messages, likes, posts, feel our screens, but somehow not feel our lives. This is loneliness in digital era. I am Neha Verma. I am narrator of the story.
My name is Nidhi Miri and I am playing role of Sia in this play.
My name is Bhumika Ratna Parkhi and I am playing role of Kavya.
My name is Soumya Srivastav, playing the role of Kavya's mother.
Hello, this is Tushar Anchal and I am playing role of Arav.
Guys, look at this reel. It has 2 million views already.
Strong hook, fast cut, emotional bait. Yeah, algorithm friendly.
Bro, I showed you for fun, not for content license.
This is what I need. Viral content is everything now.
Everything?
Yes, fame, followers, brand deals, life sorted.
Does it also come with happiness or is that a separate subscription?
Arav, please, not your philosophy update again.
I'm just asking, do people know you or just your content?
Same thing.
So, if you stop posting, do you disappear?
Why are you making it so deep? Let me be famous peacefully.
This is so funny. Okay, I guess it was solo laugh.
They are sitting together, but their minds are somewhere else. They are not living in the present moment or with each other. They are chasing for likes and comments from other peoples.
A few moments later.
Even our reactions are synchronized now.
We are basically robots.
At least robots don't get it.
They also don't feel anything.
Bro, if you go any deeper, we will need oxygen cylinders.
At least phone responds instantly. No waiting, no awkwardness.
Yeah, no real connections either.
Okay, serious question. If we lose our phone right now, will we even talk?
Guys, let's not test that.
How losing a device become losing a part of ourselves. Maybe it's because over time we started depending on it to define us.
Bro, this comment section is wild.
Welcome, Madam Influencer. Table is ready since the past 30 minutes.
Yeah, mom, 1 second. This is important.
Important? Is the Prime Minister in your DM or what?
No, mom. More serious. Someone replied mid to my reel.
Meet, beta, is it good or should I be worried?
It's bad. My reputation is at stake.
Ah, yes, national emergency.
In today's world, children are addicted to social media. They started ignoring their parents and spend more time on social media. This will not only affect them but also the whole family. So this scene is based on it.
Tell me honestly, am I important to you or not?
Of course, yes.
Then why your face light up more for the screen than for me? Wow. Emotional scene. Zero reaction. Oscar goes to phone. I waited whole day to talk to you and you reply like I am in YouTube ad. Skip after 5 seconds.
Mom, that was personal.
Good, something reached you.
Okay, I am here fully present. No buffering.
Network stable?
Yes, 5G connection direct to home.
Okay.
Three friends, one table, three different ones. At the end, they realize that real happiness is more important than social media and they get attached to each other.
One eternity later.
Guys, it's happening. My reel is finally blowing up. I'm basically famous.
Relax, you got 10 views, not a Netflix deal.
Excuse me, this is just the beginning.
Congrats.
Why do you sound like my result just came out and I failed?
I am just thinking, do you ever feel empty after all this?
No. Okay, sometimes.
Congratulations, you have unlocked existential crisis level 1.
Yesterday my mom said that she wait whole day to talk to me. But I am busy arguing with the strangers in comment.
Ah yes, fighting online, India's favorite sport after cricket.
Wait, so we are ignoring real people to impress random people?
Yes, we are chasing wow from strangers and giving to our own people.
No, not today.
But what if it's something important?
If it's really important, it will survive 5 minutes without you.
This feels illegal.
Same.
Welcome back to In Real Life. No filters, no edits.
Is there at least a retake option?
No, but a better story.
Okay, tell me something real.
Fine, I'm scared people will forget me if I stop posting.
People forget their passwords daily, you will survive. The one who matter won't forget you, and if you remember yourself, that's enough.
Guys, we are actually talking.
Yeah, kinda weird, but I like it.
Don't worry, it's a rare feature but limited time only.
Surrounded by people, connected to thousands, but still quietly, deeply alone. Maybe the question isn't are we online, but are we still here to feel the bond, to feel the real joyness, to feel real happiness. In this way, loneliness in the digital era become a biggest problem in the society. We started ignoring our parents, our real life scenarios, and instead of it, we just framing it and faking it. So, be present in the real situation and enjoy the joys fully.